What the heck is he doing? What the hell was he doing? It feels like sandpaper.
Why is he licking that?
I don't know.
You taste like chicken.
I don't have chicken scented shampoo or anything. Maybe he thinks I'm dirty and I need a bath.